A shared mailbox allows multiple people to send and receive emails from the same email address. I'm Emily, and I'm here to talk to you about shared mailboxes. Say Molly sets up questions at mollysbarkandwine.com and invites her partners, Jane and Paul, as members. Whenever any of them respond to an email sent to the shared box, the response will come from questions at mollysbarkandwine.com instead of from Molly, Jane, or Paul's personalized email addresses. This is handy for a business that might want to share the load of responding to emails. Another great benefit is that all members of a shared inbox have a common calendar and contacts list to work from. Once members are added, they can access the shared box either online or through an email client. Let's see how to set that up. You have to have admin permissions to create a shared mailbox. From the Email and Office dashboard, select Admin and then Advanced. Select Sign In Next to Exchange. Select Mailboxes under the Recipients tab. Select Add a Shared Mailbox. Enter a display name and email address for your shared mailbox, and then choose My Domain. When things look good, select Create. The message on the screen lets us know it may take a couple of minutes until we can add our members. After a couple of minutes, select Add Users to this mailbox. Select Add Members, and then select the users that you want to have access to the shared mailbox, and then select Save. Select Confirm that you want to add delegate permissions for these mailboxes. You'll see a success message letting you know that the selected users have been added to the mailbox and that it might take 60 minutes for your changes to show in Outlook. That's it. Pretty easy, right? One thing to keep in mind is that it can take about 15 minutes for the shared mailbox to be available to new members. I hope you're learning tons of tips and tricks to help you manage your email. I'm Emily. Thanks for watching.